How to fix printer not responding to Canon G2010. Step by step in this video how you can fix it. The issue can be caused by the connection error, driver issues or printer setting. Here is how to resolve it. Step 1 is check cable and the power. Ensure the USB cable is securely connected to both the printer and computer. Try a different USB port on your PC. Make sure the printer is powered on and has low blinking error lights. Set G2010 as the default printer. Go to Control Panel, Device and Printer. Right-click on the Canon G2010. Select Set as Default Printer. Try printing again. Restart the print spooler. Press Window plus R. Type Services MSC. Press Enter. Find Print Spooler in the list. Right-click and restart. Reinstall the printer driver. Go to the Canon's official support page and search for G2010 drivers. Download the latest drive for your OS and uninstall the old drive. Control panel programs, uninstall a program and Canon G2010 driver. Step 5 is clear printer queue. Go to devices and printers. Right click on Canon G2010. Click see what's printing. Cancel all print jobs. Ensure use printing offline or printer offline is unchecked under the printer menu. Step 6 is power cycle everything. Turn off the printer and unplug it. Shut down your PC with 30 seconds. Turn everything back on and try printing again. Thank you so much for watching this video.